First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Ren space, tCompleteTheUpdates /Windows software distribution space, software distribution.old. Ren space, tCompleteTheUpdates /Windows system32 /Catra2 space, Catra2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Second method, open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10 disk image. Click download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click accept. Check upgrade this PC now. Click Next. Check Install Windows 10 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.